I observed that the water becomes stagnant, dirty, and sometimes produces a bad smell because it cannot move freely, and I believe this shows clogged drainage. This is harmful to the environment because it can cause flooding, spread bacteria, attract pests, and pollute nearby soil and waterways. It also affects community health since stagnant water can become a breeding ground for mosquitoes and disease. A small act that can help address this problem is properly disposing of waste and regularly cleaning street gutters and canals in our area.